So a lot of persons reached out to me this month, and chief amongst the several questions they asked me was about digital marketing and how I perceive digital marketing to be right now, and of course going into the future as well. These guys simply wanted to know if digital marketing is still as it used to be. I mean, is it still as lucrative as it used to be, right? So I actually don't fault these questions, but then I am reminded of the fact that there are several falsehoods, there are several big and misleading content on the internet painting digital marketing in a bad light, right? I mean, there are several content currently flying here and there, seemingly making people feel that digital marketing is not worth it at the end of the day. So yeah, in this particular video, I want to take my time to bust some of these falsehoods. I mean, I really want to take my time to bust some of these lies that are being peddled all around the internet. These lies that are flying here and there on the internet space. So yeah, if you also have a plan of going into digital marketing and you are really unsure if pitching your tent in this beautiful industry is going to be worth your time, then sit back and enjoy this particular content, because this exactly is what I'll be discussing in this one specifically. So welcome back, guys. My name is Patrick Ezeji, and I started, just so you know, right? I started my career as a digital marketer some 11 plus years back, roughly around early 2014. So early 2014, as and when this content was made, should be about 11 years plus. And believe me when I say those days there was no AI. I mean, there was literally no generative AI. Even if there was, I don't think it was as pronounced as we currently have it today. I can't really remember using AI for anything I did those days. For the landing pages I built, for the websites I built those days, I mean hundreds of websites, obviously, I really cannot recollect leveraging AI to do any of those. So yeah, early days, early 2014 should be about 11 years plus right now. And I can remember vividly when I look back that my monthly take home those days was roughly between $50 to $150 those days. I mean, give and take when I'm done with all of the expenses, buying hosting and domain, setting up platforms and all of that. My take home was roughly between those figures. So yeah, and yeah, specifically Nigeria, the exchange rate, the Naira exchange rate those days was around 180 to 190 Naira those days, right? Yeah, for those of you who understand. So it wasn't a bad money, guys. It was obviously not a bad amount, but then those were the humble beginnings. But fast forward 11 years after, I've earned some crazy figures in digital marketing, and I'm still earning in digital marketing. I've done a lot of things in digital marketing, and I'm still doing a lot of things in digital marketing. So yeah, is digital marketing still lucrative? Is it worth pitching your tent in this industry? You will find out shortly, right? Because obviously the decision is completely yours to make. The step is completely yours to take. So the very first lie I've heard people disseminate on the internet space about digital marketing is digital marketing is fading out. Like, come on, guys. A lot of persons believe digital marketing is fading out. How do you explain to anyone that digital marketing has been, it is at the moment, and it will continue to be, right? How do businesses gain visibility on the internet space without digital marketing? How exactly do businesses gain relevance? How exactly do they make profit on the internet space without the input from digital marketers? So yeah, please, I like you to drop this belief that digital marketing is fading out. Digital marketing ain't going anywhere, guys. It is only becoming better, right? Especially with the advent of Gen AI, it is only becoming better and it is going nowhere. So please drop that notion if you have it. Digital marketing isn't fading out, right? I've been there for 11 plus years and I'm still here, guys. I have never done any other thing in my 11 years save digital marketing. And I do not really have any plans on doing another thing going forward, save digital marketing. Because come on, the whole of my life, 11 years of my life had revolved around this industry. All of the monies I've made in 11 years had been from digital marketing, right? I've done a lot of things once again with digital marketing. I go nowhere, right? So yeah, I simply advise that you think this through also. Yeah, digital marketing isn't fading out, guys. Generative AI is going to take the job of digital marketers. Come on. Who tells this sort of lies? Right? Who tells this sort of lies? So yeah, AI has come to stay. Gen AI has come to stay, but Gen AI needs drivers. And this is where digital marketers become very relevant. So yeah, you cannot get AI to do anything without the input from a digital marketer, right? So yeah, digital marketers are needed to give prompts to the AI. Digital marketers are needed to fine-tune the results from the AI. Digital marketers are also needed to give life to a whole lot of things that the AI churns out, right? So yeah, AI isn't going to take your job away as a digital marketer. So another lie that people sometimes tell about digital marketing is there are some areas of digital marketing that are completely out of fashion. I mean, there are some areas of digital marketing that are already old school. And I ask them sometimes, can you please make me a list of these areas of digital marketing? And a lot of the times, these people are unable to mention these areas. Some make the mistake of even thinking that social media management is outdated, and I just laugh to scorn. Anyways, I wouldn't dwell much on that, right? Because again, there is really no area of digital marketing that is out of date. There's really no area of digital marketing that is old-fashioned, right? Talk about social media management is as relevant as it was 10 years back, right? It is only becoming better. Once again, as I said earlier on, talk about search engine optimization. Come on, guys. Everybody makes searches every day in hopes that they find some human written answers to their questions. Again, it has only become better with the advent of generative AI. Right? Talk about PPC, pay-per-click advertising. It is still as relevant as it was 10 years ago, guys. It's only becoming better with the advent of generative AI. Talk about content marketing, video marketing, and a host of other things, other areas in digital marketing. These areas are simply becoming better courtesy of generative AI. So there's really no area of digital marketing that is old-fashioned, that is out of touch, that is out of date. So please debunk those lies, guys. You've got a place here in digital marketing. So another lie people peddle on the internet space is that a lot of persons had moved on to tech-centered areas. I mean, it is now tech and nothing more. Anyways, tech is good. The 100% tech-centered careers are actually okay. But believe me when I say, it doesn't matter where you classify digital marketing, there are still some areas of digital marketing that are completely tech. And even if digital marketing is not tech-centered, right, digital marketing is still very much needed to drive those businesses. So yeah, you've got a tech company, you've got a company promoting products on the internet space, you've got companies selling services, you simply need digital marketing. So whatever area of digital marketing you decide to pitch your tent at, digital marketing is still very much relevant. So the last lie on my list to be busted is digital marketers aren't happy people. I mean, digital marketers don't get career fulfillment. Anyways, it all depends on what you classify as career fulfillment. Career fulfillment is relative. You can decide, you can choose money to be career fulfillment. You can choose ability to travel the world as career fulfillment. You can choose having more time to spend with families and loved ones to be career fulfillment. Once again, it is relative, right? So yeah, digital marketers also have career fulfillment depending on what they classify career fulfillment to be. So yeah, guys, if you're looking forward to starting a career as a digital marketer, And these lies that have been told, these lies that you have heard on the internet space or at some of these spaces online is currently discouraging you and giving you cold feet. Yeah, the ball is in your court, guys. You can choose to make something tangible out of those lies, and you can choose to do your personal research and find out if this is a place to pitch your tent or not. I have taken my time to list out 5 lies about digital marketing that shocked me when I saw them on the internet space, right? So yeah, once again, personally, digital marketing is a career path you don't want to miss out on, right? Digital marketing is a career path that is worth pitching your tent in. Digital marketing is a career path that is worth tasting also and doing for the long term, just as in my case, right? 11 plus years and counting. So I hope this video makes sense to you. I hope this video has been able to answer 1 or 2 questions that currently boggles your mind, especially about digital marketing. So in my next video, I'll do something a bit similar, but also addressing 1 or 2 areas of digital marketing that really needs clarity. So until then, guys, bye for now.